Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about top 7 most powerful navy in the world. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. Let's start. Number 1. United States Navy. The most powerful navy in the world is United States Navy. It was founded on 13 October 1775. The United States Navy currently has around 336,978 active duty personnel, 279,471 civilian employees and 101,583 ready reserve personnel. The US Navy has over 419 total ships in its inventory. The USA also has the most powerful air force in the world. The US Navy currently operates around 3,900 plus main aircraft, which around 1,200 are helicopters. At present, state of F-35 Lightning II and F-18 Super Hornet are the main fighter jets of the US Navy. The US Navy currently has 2 nuclear power aircraft carriers and 9 helicopters carrier of actual adult of ships. In addition, this Navy currently has 66 nuclear powered submarines, 97 destroyers, 19 corvettes of 13 patrol, 11 mine warfare and 0 fire grade. Number 2. People's Liberation Army Navy. Moving on to number 2nd position, we have People's Liberation Army Navy. It was formed in September 1950, 69 years ago. The Chinese Navy at present has around 255,000 active naval personnel and has over 750 naval ships. The Chinese Navy currently has approximately 690 plus naval aircraft, which has around 200 helicopters. Su-30, J-10, J-11 and J-15 are the main fighter jets of the Chinese Navy. In addition to this, the Chinese Navy has 2 aircraft carriers, 74 submarines, from which 20 plus of nuclear powers, 36 destroyers, 52 fire grade, 15 cover grades, 220 patrols and 29 mine warfares. Number 3. Russian Navy. Moving on to top 3, we have Russian Navy. Russian Navy has existed of the various from since 1696. The present iteration of the was from of January 1992. After the dissolution with Soviet Union, Russian Navy has approximately 150,000 active naval personnel and over 600 ships. The Russian Navy currently maintains around 360 naval aircraft, of which around 120 to 160 are helicopters. Su-27, Su-33, Su-30 and MiG-29 are the main fighter jets of Russian Navy. At present, it has 1 aircraft carrier, 62 submarines, of which around 14 are nuclear power, 16 destroyers, 79 corvettes, 10 fire grades, 41 patrol and 48 mine warfare. Number 4. Indian Navy. The number 4 from our list of the most powerful navy in the world is Indian Navy. The Indian Navy present its the origin back the Eastern Indian Company's Marine, which was founded in 1612. When India became a republic in 1950, it was named the Indian Navy. The Indian Navy currently has around 70,000 active naval personnel and around 285 ships. Now coming to the size naval aircraft, Indian Navy has approximately 250 aircraft, of which around 100 are helicopters, currently MiG-29 and HAL Tejas. The main fighter jets are Indian Navy. It's 1 aircraft carrier, 10 destroyers, 16 submarines, of which 3 are nuclear powered, 19 of corvettes, 13 frigates, 139 patrols, and only 3 mine warfares. Number 5. Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force. Number 5 from our list is Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force, in short Japanese Navy. It was founded on 1st July 1954, 65 years ago. Japanese Navy has 50,800 active naval personnel and around 155 ships. The Japanese Navy is one of the largest navies in the world. Currently has around 345 naval aircraft, of which around 145 are helicopters. F-35 Lightning and II going to be a main fighter jets of Japanese Navy in the future. At present, it has 4 helicopter carriers, 40 destroyers, 20 submarines, 0 frigates, 6 corvettes, 6 patrol and 25 mine warfares. Number 6. French Navy. Moving on to number 6, we have French Navy. The French Navy is one of the world's oldest naval of the force was founded in 1624. The French Navy has around 36,000 active naval personnel and 2,800 civilians. The French Navy has nearly 118 ships, currently beside of the US Navy. The French Navy is the only navy has operating nuclear powerful aircraft carriers. The French Navy currently operates around 178 aircraft, of which 70 plus are helicopters. That's a lot of the referral of the main fighter jet and French Navy. At the moment, it has 1 nuclear power aircraft carrier, 3 helicopters carrier, 2 destroyers, 9 nuclear power submarines, 11 frigates, 17 patrol, 17 mine warfare and 0 conveyors. Number 7. Royal Navy. Number 7 from our list is Royal Navy, which is owned by the United Kingdom. It was founded in 1546, 474 years ago. The Royal Navy currently has around 3,280 regular active personnel, 3,040 maritime reserves and 7,960 Royal Fleet Reserve. The Royal Navy has currently 18 commissioned ships. It operates around aircraft, of which around 18 are helicopters. The F-35 lighting the main of fighter jets of Royal Navy. At present, the Royal Navy has 2 aircraft carriers, 6 destroyers, 10 nuclear power submarines, 13 frigates, 22 patrol and 13 mine warfare. It doesn't have any convent of its fleet.